Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes without third-party apps on DOOGEE smartphone. Okay, so all you need to do is to launch your camera app, and in here, in that place usually, you'll have this icon. That's the Google Lens. Sometimes it's like the app on our home screen, or in our app drawer. You also may find it right in here, but in my case I'll launch the camera. And now to scan the QR code, tap on this icon, that's the Google Lens, select while using the app, click on open camera, and now all you need to do is to find your QR code, place your phone correctly, the QR code needs to be in that frame, and then tap the search button and the QR code will be scanned. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.